is the 5 types of curry. But today we're gonna make our own curry paste at the school.
Look how enormous these avocados were. This local market had so many interesting things to see, including this entire booth selling durian. If you didn't know, durian is the stinkiest fruit in the world, but it's actually a delicacy in Southeast Asia, so we knew we needed to try it, and these nice people gave us some.
Yes.
Oh my god, Laura, we're trying it.
I'm nervous. This lovely place is letting us try durian.
We have been contemplating this, but a lot of the durian comes in these big trays and it's like really expensive and we don't want to waste it.
If we hate it.
So I'm really nervous.
Do you want me to do it first?
Yeah, I want you to do it first.
Okay.
And then I'll eat it.
Much. It's gonna stick with us? Okay. Okay.
Okay, we're trying durian for the first time.
And I'm scared. Okay, I'll take the first bite.
How was it?
It's better than the ice cream we had.
Way better than the ice cream.
I
It's
told
not
you,
bad.
fresh is better than the ice cream.
That aftertaste really lingers though. Oh,
Yeah.
wow.
Okay, not as bad as we were expecting. It smells worse than it tastes. Durian Station.
Can't believe we tried it.
Now what? Are you eating the whole thing?
I don't think.
It's really not bad.
It was way better than the ice cream. Okay, so to get the durian out of our mouth, we got some fresh orange juice.
We think.
Looks really good.
I always am seeing people carrying around these little bottles and I'm jealous
wanted to
every
try it.
time.
That's like tangerine juice almost.
Ooh.
You're gonna love it though.
So mind if we do? It is totally like tangerine juice.
You like it?
I love it.
Okay.
I love
God
it.
bless.
It's a bug. Hi, puppy.
Once we got to the cooking school, we took a look at the menu and picked out the 3 items we wanted to cook, and then we tried a bunch of the ingredients we would be cooking with.
Sausage, it's sweet, it's not too spicy, it's sweet. Adding the curry and pad thai today, no shrimp, just no shrimp.
Oh, it does smell like caramel.
Okay, so it
Smells like rice.
It doesn't smell like anything.
Smells like rice.
Here you can see everyone had their own cooking station depending on what we decided to cook.
What did you make?
I made a coffee.
Looks good.
It is good.
Look at your hair in the wind.
Okay, we just selected the meals that we want to make, and
What did you go with?
I'm going to make khao soi, pad thai, and a coconut curry soup.
Okay, nice. I'm gonna make a green curry, cashew nut chicken, and a hot and sour chicken soup.
That's like tom
Tom yum.
Yeah.
Tom yum.
so
Just like the local soup that everyone loves here. Chili peppers.
Those are dangerous.
Yeah, those would burn my face.
I'm baby spice.
Ice spice.
Then for our appetizer, we started making spring rolls, which were so good, and we all got to help out a little bit.
spreading the oil, spreading the oil.
That's crazy.
Laura.
Why are you making add the glass noodle so big? Because our spring roll must dry. I add the glass noodle for all the sauce will go in the glass noodle นะคะ
How's it?
Wow, that's insanely good.
Cheers.
Good. Isn't that good?
So good. Don't
There you go.
Going to the garden. We can't even stand next to each other.
Okay, come here, come here.
We are going to the garden to collect our ingredients.
Yeah.
We will add in the
Big hat.
Everyone, everything in the farm นะคะ is the organic นะคะ no chemical. You can taste and try everything นะคะ
And this is
Sweet eggplant as well ค่ะ
sweet. Oh. I don't know. I just took a bite. There's more garlic.
You're so cute in that hat.
Tastes so
This one is sweet basil. We will add in the green curry.
Whoa. Tastes like black licorice.
Mm-hmm. Carrie and Doug, you would love this.
It's a very beautiful garden.
Butterfly pea flower นะคะ light color.
Whoa.
We will
Harvested
add
this in
now
Red Dead Redemption.
today, curry.
Did you
My
really?
go-to.
And strong tea.
It's like a potato, but like a spicy potato.
Like a radish.
One.
Spicy potato. Isn't there caffeine in this? Isn't ginseng like an energy thing?
Ginseng. Wait, yeah.
I think it is.
I had a coffee and I have so much anxiety as we're walking around this garden.
Or I got the caffeine shakes.
Yeah. That was the weirdest way to cut. I just cracked that egg so weird. Look how it came out.
Oh no, mine was kind of.
Okay, we're making spring rolls first. Shaped it like a sausage. Adding garlic. Oh no. Everything's happening so fast. Okay, added the noodles. Letting my noodles cook. I don't know what's going on. It smells like my lap.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Wait, I guess like Cameron is kind of similar.
Yeah. No, it's mackinac. What is that called again?
I'll just strangle this one.
So good. The spring rolls are amazing. I hope I can replicate this at home. Yummy.
So we just finished our stir fry, but we still have a soup to go. So we're gonna make the soup and then end on the curry
then
next,
soup.
and then the soup. Okay.
So get in there. Okay, Mr. Muscle, don't get it in your eye.
It was so close to going in my eye, it went all over my face.
Not smart.
Oh shit.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, he doesn't say that.
Medium.
Just it halfway, I guess.
Okay. Oh God.
Turn off. Shrimp turn off. Chicken turn off. Tofu turn off. Every
Finished product has soy, coconut soup, green curry,
Green curry
tom yum.
and a sweet and sour soup.
So we've got cow soy, so good, and coconut soup. I almost just spilled it everywhere. So good.
The coconut milk mixed with like the spice.
Yeah. I think we
like
chose
sweet and
the better
sour soup.
option. That was the baby level of spice, and I should have done the medium.
The curry's spicier.
So good.